Hello, this is Jose from ADTECHNO. We are here at InfoComm 2026 introducing our line. Well, not introducing, a lot of people already know it. First of all, we have our DAV series, the DAV01, the DAV02, and our Dante DAV03. I don't have it here right now. It's on a panel back behind me. These guys are our flagship models for encoders and decoders with Dante AV Ultra and the Colibri codec. These guys are starting to ramp up. We're getting a lot of orders. They are starting to get known by people all around the world. We're very excited. And this year, we released a new product called the Dante DAV Control Nexus. We have it right here. We actually got an award, so we're really happy about it. We should be releasing these to the market around August or September. We should be able to ship. This is going to be web GUI, so you're going to be able to work standalone from a PC. And it's really cool because it's going to be an open API that will allow you to integrate with third-party controllers. So we're very excited about it. If you want to learn more, please come to www.adtechno.com.